How to boost Instagram Reel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right. Select the reel you want to boost. After that, at the bottom of the reel, you will find Boost Post option. Click on it. After you have done that, simply choose how you would like to boost on Instagram and press on continue at the bottom. Then, what do you want people to do when they see your ad and press on next at the bottom? Then, who should see your ad and press on next? Then, budget and duration, press on next after you've selected your budget and duration. Then, press on boost reel at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to boost Instagram Reel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.